In this video I'm doing an oil change on a 2006 Toyota Sequoia. This is all of the equipment that I'm going to use. Some of it came from my local car parts store. They said that I'm going to need 6.5 quarts of oil. We'll see how much I really need, but you need an oil filter and a wrench to pull that off. You need a funnel, you need something to catch the oil, and I believe a 12mm socket. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is take off this air dam underneath your car so you can get to the filter and the drain bolt. And this is the 12mm socket. And I noticed that I'm actually missing a few bolts, so it's a good thing that I'm doing this myself this time, because they never told me that before at the dealership. But I'm gonna pop these off and pop this air dam off. Now that you have the air dam off, you can see where the oil filter is right here, and then your drain plug is right there. So I'm just gonna pop that off and let it drain. Okay, once you get that bolt started, it's just gonna come off real easy. You can just loosen it by hand. And the oil is gonna come running out of there because it's still warm. Now that the drip is slowing down, I'm going to wipe it off and put the drain plug back in. This is a 14mm bolt, by the way. Get it snug. Okay, now you want to position your oil pan underneath your filter so you can catch the oil that's going to fall out of there. This is where you're going to use this handy tool to pop that off of there. Possibly. Making a mess. New filter back on. So I'm going to take a little bit of oil and just kind of smear it around the top. Even in those threads. So it's already kind of like pre-lubed. It should be ready to screw back on. Okay, I got my oil filter on, got my funnel in, We'll start adding this first 5 quarts of oil slowly. Okay, now adding my 6th quart of oil. Okay, now I've done 6 quarts. I'm going to put this back on and start the car and let that oil kind of cycle through a little bit before I add the last half quart. Okay, now I'm going to add the last half quart. Alright, it's about half.